Good evening, guys. Yesterday I discussed limits problem. Today I am going to continue that. Limit x tends to infinity, square root of x square plus 5x minus 3 minus x. The answer for this question is a by 2. A by 2. It means that 5 by 2. For this one, a by 2 should be equals to 6 by 2. The answer is 3. In a tradition method, suppose we calculate, we will take more time. That's why we have to remember this one, shortcut. What is that? A by 2. Actually, these two problems are in the form of limit x tends to infinity, square root of x square plus ax plus b minus x form. That one says a by 2. That one says a by 2. According to that, the value of limit x tends to infinity, square root of x square plus 5x minus 3 minus x should be equals to 5 by 2. Similarly, limit x tends to infinity, square root of x square plus 6x minus 8 minus x is 6 by 2 should be equals to 3. Third problem and fourth problem is here. The answer for this one is 2 by a equals to 2 divided by 6, 1 by 3. For this one, 2 divided by a, here is a value is 10, 1 by 5. These two problems are in the form of limit x tends to infinity, 1 divided by square root of x square plus ax plus b minus x. That one says 2 divided by a. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 divided by square root of x square plus ax plus b minus x. We will get the answer 2 by a. According to this, the value of these two problems are 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Here the value of a is 6. Here the value of a is 5. 2 divided by 6 should be equals to 1 by 3 and 2 divided by a, that is 2 by 10 should be equals to 1 by 5. You have to remember this shortcut. The fifth problem is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos square 3x divided by sin 2x into tan 3x. The sixth one, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos cube 2x divided by sin inverse 2x into 3x. You have to remember this one, limit x tends to 0. This is the shortcut. 1 minus cos to the power of n ax divided by f1 cx into f2 dx. The given problem are in the form of 1 minus cos to the power of n ax divided by f1 cx into f2 dx is there. The answer for this is, what is that? N into a square 2 CD. You have to remember this. The given problem are in the form of this. The shortcut is n into a square 2cd. Here the value of n, this is the power, n value is 2, a value is 3, c value is 2, d value is again 3. Substitute here 2 into a square 3 square, 2 into the value of c is 2, this is 3, 2 get cancelled, 1 3 another 3 cancel, 3 by 2 is the answer for this. Similarly for second problem, n value is 3, a value is 2, c value is 2, D value is 3. Substitute for this, n 3a 2 square divided by 2 into C value is 2, D value is 3. 3 get cancelled, 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. You have to notice that the given problem are in the form of 1 my limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos to the power of nax divided by f1 cx, f2 dx is there, na square divided by 2 into cd. So according to that, the first question answer is 3 by 2 and the second question answer is 1. The seventh problem is limit x tends to 0, cos 5x minus cos 3x divided by 2x into tan 3x. Limit x tends to 0, this is 8th one, cos 4x minus cos 5x divided by x squared. Suppose in tradition method, how we solve you know well, using cos c minus cos t, and we know that tan theta by theta is equal to 1 if limit x tends to 0, tan 3x divided by 3x into 3x, we do like that. That is a very lengthy method. So we apply the shortcut. These two problems, the suitable shortcut is, you have to remember, limit x tends to 0, cos ax minus cos bx divided by f1 cx into f2 dx is there. Then b squared minus a squared divided by 2cd. So therefore the seventh problem answer is cos 5x minus cos 7x divided by 2x into tan 3x should be equals to b. Here b value is 7 minus a value is 5 by 2 into the value of c is 2, the value of d is 3. 49 minus 25 divided by 12, 25 by 12 is the answer. Sorry, this is 25. 24 by 12, the answer is 2. 25, 49 minus 25 is 24 divided by 12, answer is 2. For 8th one, limit x tends to 0, cos 4x minus cos 5x divided by x square equals to, you know, b square, the value of b is 5 square minus 4 square divided by 2 into 1. 25 minus 16 divided by 2. 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 by 2 is the answer. So these two problems are in the form of limit x tends to 0, cos ax minus cos bx divided by f1 cx into f2 dx. So we apply b square minus a square divided by 2cd. This is the shortcut. The 9th and 10th problems are limit x tends to 0, cos cube 3x minus cos cube 4x divided by 3x sin 2x. The 10th one problem is limit x tends to 0, cos square 2x minus cos squared 5x divided by x squared. So the answer for this questions is very easy to calculate by applying the shortcut. Which shortcut we are going to use for this? Have to remember, limit x tends to 0, cos to the power of n ax minus cos to the power of n bx divided by f1 cx into f2 dx is equal to n of b square minus a square divided by 2cd. 2cd. The given problem are in the form of this. We have to use n of b square minus a square divided by 2cd. Now you take the ninth problem. Tell the answer for this. Cos cube 3x minus cos cube 4x. Cos cube 4x divided by 3x into sin 2x should be equals to n. N is a power 3, b is 4, square is a square, a is 3, 3 square divided by 2 into, this is the value of c, that is 3, the value of d is 2, is equal to 3 of 16 minus 9 divided by 2 into 3 into 2, 3 get cancelled, 16 minus 9 7 divided by 4 is the answer for the ninth question. The 10th question answer is limit x tends to 0 cos squared 2x minus cos squared 5x divided by x squared. Here the value of n is 2, the value of b is 5, square is the square, minus a value to 2 square divided by coefficient of x squared is 1. So 2 get cancelled. 25 minus 4, that is equal to 21. 21 is the answer. The given problem are in the form of limit x tends to 0 cos to the power of n of ax minus cos to the power of n of bx divided by f1 cx into f2 dx is there. You apply the shortcut n of b square minus a square divided by 2cd. We get the answer is 7 by 4 and 21 respectively, 9th and 10th question. 11th and 12th problem. 11th problem, limit x tends to 0 tan to the power of 2x minus sin square 2x divided by x to the power of 4. 12th one, limit x tends to 0 tan cube 2x minus sin cube 2x divided by sin to the power of 5x. In this problem, we have to use one of the shortcut, limit x tends to 0 tan to the power of n ax minus sin to the power of n ax divided by f of x to the power of f of x to the power of n plus 2 is there. So in this case you have to remember n into a to the power of n plus 2 divided by n into a to the power of n plus 2 divided by 2. So limit x tends to 0 tan to the power of tan square 2x minus sin squared 2x divided by x to the power of 4. 2 plus 2, 4 is there. So n is power 2, a is 2, n is what? 2 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 to the power of 4, the value is 16. 12th one, similarly, limit x tends to 0 tan cube 2x minus sin cube 2x divided by sin to the power of 5x is there, equals to n. Here the value of n is 3, the value of a is 2 to the power of n plus 2, 3 plus 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, 3 into 2 to the power of 5 by 2, 3 into 2 to the power of 4, 1 to another 2 get cancelled, 48 is the answer for this. You have to remember the given problem are in the form of tan to the power of n ax minus sin to the power of n ax divided by f of x to the power of n plus 2, n into a to the power of n plus 2 divided by 2. We have to remember while we solve this type of problem. According to that, the value of the first question is, 11th question is, here the first question, actually from the counting is the 11th question, 60, for 12th question, 48. Thank you very much. Tomorrow again we meet you. Thank you very much.